Hello, my name is Hanafi with student ID 202412500045. This is my assignment for the final exam for the class Computer Assisted Language Learning. And for today's topic or application that I'm going to discuss is called Seesaw. So first off, when going into this application, you need to designate, are you going to enter this as a teacher, as a student, or as a parent or guardian? So select first, how are you going to enter this Seesaw application. Next, you're going to create an account. As usual, you're going to put your name, your email, and your password. Definitely because you're gonna be joining this as a teacher, so make sure that all of your credentials are not private but as your professional credentials. Next, you're going to enter into the main dashboard. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do when you see the dashboard is you're going to create a class. So for your class, you're going to go look at the settings. You've got your grades. You can pick from preschool all the way to the 12th grade in the school for your students. You've got the name of the class. You can put your name once again. Over here the name is Happy Class. You can also personalize your class. You can select the icon, you can select the color, make it a little bit more colorful, so students can enjoy all the beauty, the things in this application. Next up, you've got these suggestions, like how are you gonna create this community? You've got, is it a school or you've got your own community? For this part, we're just gonna choose a school. Okay, so first thing is you're gonna create a school community. Right, input your school details. Is it a public or private school? The school's name, definitely which country, which state or territory, and which city. Next up, we're going to go into you're going to join to the community, and this is where your class dashboard is. Okay, next up you've got open the journal tab. Okay, so you can see over here, journal is like the history of what you've been doing in Seesaw using your dashboard. So what the things that you've done, everything's recorded in a journal. Next up is the class settings. You first off, of course, it's an empty class. You got to add students inside. Okay, you got to add students inside to the class. You can either use it through SSD or email, or you're going to use them through text message or a QR code. That's how you add them. Okay, so you're going to add some students over here. Okay, so this application, for your students, is it going to be a shared? Are they going to be using a shared device or a single one-on-one? So each student has their own device. You can choose how you're going to this class is going to run. After that, next thing you do is you add your students' names. Okay, and then you follow the instructions on the screen over here to complete the class settings. Next up, you open the activities tab. Okay, so this is the assignments your students are going to do. You write in the activity name. Okay, select the media. There's notes, photos, videos. For this, we're going to choose video, select video. Okay, select the YouTube video that you're going to use for this assignment and upload it. After that, you're going to write instructions for the students for this task, how they're going to complete this task. And then you're going to add notes, teacher's notes if applicable. Okay, so once that's all done, you can preview how this assignment is going to look for your students. Next up, you set the start date for the assignment and the deadline submission. You can observe the submission list, who has submitted, who hasn't. Okay, and after that, when all said and done, you can invite a parent or guardian, to observe the children's progress in this assignment. Okay, so after that, when all's done, you can browse the library. We've got so many kinds of things, media to browse through to teach your students. Okay, and after that, you can also send messages to the parent or guardian to update them on the progress of the children. And finally, you can also send messages, and these messages are also, you can also translate these messages to 100+ languages. So this is all integrated into Seesaw. Thank you for listening and watching. That's it for my assignment for the final exam. Thank you for watching.